Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies here to ask you a question. Do you airbrush? And if so, is the air in your house polluted with the stench of lacquer paint? If so, then you need a spray booth, my friends. It is a very convenient way to keep the air in your workspace clean and keep you alive longer. So if you'll follow me into the back, I will show you how to put one together and how it works. Let's begin, shall we? The primary function of a spray booth is to act as a small workspace which funnels out any overspray from airbrushes or spray cans. It basically forces all that bad air away from your lungs and keeps the air in your house clean. This particular model I have here is from Vigiart. It features a 12-volt motor. It operates at about 45 decibels, and its dimensions are 42 centimeters by 15 by 25, but when fully extended it's 48 by 42 by 25. As you can see, it comes in a handy size with a handle, and the whole thing folds up so you can carry it around with you wherever you like. Alright, so let's begin assembling this. In here we've got the tray, which folds out like this. I'll get back to that in a moment. For now, I'm going to put in the filter. And when you buy one of these, it automatically comes with one filter, but they also sell separate filters which you can buy when these start to get too dirty. I would say the best time to change one is when you basically can't see blue anymore. Oh yeah, and one thing worth noting, the blue side has to be the side that's facing you. Also, be a little careful when putting these in, as behind it, this mesh here is pretty sharp on these ends here. So just be mindful of that. Now we're going to extend it again. Now I'm going to attach the side walls. Once you hear the click, you know that it's secure. Okay, that side is done. Then you're going to fold them. I'm going to fold them up here. Jesus Christ. I apologize in advance for any sudden jump cuts here, but this spray booth is being a little difficult. Alright, so that's one end. Basically, it'll be the same here. Alright, so the side walls and top frame are done. Okay, now we're moving on to the electrical portion. You've got 3 of these LED lights, 1 on the top, 2 on the sides. You want to start with the sides first. I'm not sure if you can see the hole from here, but it's just right here. And you just click that in. Now the same thing for the other side. And the top one. And last thing worth noting here, your spinnable turntable. You can just sit that right in the middle there. And it's got rubber stoppers on the bottom to prevent it from sliding. Okay, so that does it for the front. I'm gonna just do a quick cut here and spin it around to the back. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to attach the hose. This first part here will click on to the vent. These little hooks here are going to hook on to each of these ridges here. So you just insert it and turn until you hear the click. Next is this rubber connector. The end with the clamp will go on to this part here. And make sure all these parts are on securely. And with the clamp, you'll just turn it until it's tight. Next is your hose itself, which can extend to as far as, I believe, 4 or 5 feet. So you want to take one end, just insert this. Okay, that's on there good. And now this will be the end that is pointed outside. It is preferable when choosing a placement for your spray booth to be near a window, so you can just stick this hose out there. And with this flat end here, it's a handy way to place this in a window and shut the window securely. And for the last portion, your AC adapter. Just goes in there. I'm gonna plug this in and we're gonna give it a quick test. As you can see and hear, the spray booth is working just fine. Here's your proof. So yeah, from this point on, just spray away. The air works in a suction motion, so it'll catch all the overspray and shoot it out this hose and out your window. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope it has convinced you to get a spray booth for yourself. You can get one of Vigiart Spray Booths at Sunward Hobbies in store or online. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, adios.